TrustBond, and now I will explain about our project. Did you know that a tiny fraction of NGOs receive the vast majority of all funding? And it makes sense. The big ones, they have the structure, the reports, the things that donors trust. But what if we made the same structure available to small, high-impact NGOs, the ones that are truly changing lives every day? That's why we created TrustBond. Access via WhatsApp, a powerful suite of tools designed to help small NGOs get funded faster and easier. Specifically, we built a zero-fee crowdfunding platform, an automated verification and audit layer for full transparency and donors' trust, AI agents that help NGOs set goals, never miss deadlines, run professional marketing campaigns, and generate powerful impact reports automatically, and TrustScore, a clear progress score so companies and donors can easily discover and trust high-potential smaller NGOs. We already have 7 projects live in our pilot phase. We are currently raising $100,000 to scale the platform and reach many more organizations. This is our incredible team. I would love to show you more and tell you how can you get involved. Thank you.